Birds. We all love birds. I mean, we love birds, but we are not lovebirds. So today's video is about birds. Birds are cutest, dumbest, and not dangerous, but they are cute. They are everything. So let's watch their creative videos. Let's start this. That was human level skill. That's really talented. That parrot is know so much about human culture, how to open tab and how to wash your head and then how to close it. That's really marvelous. That's marvelous. That's really a love bird. That's how birds make love. Tick 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 tick. Look at these lovely cute birds. They're giving right to each other. That's so unexpected. That's so nice. Imagine, just imagine, if this dog gets angry, what happened to the bird? That was the last day of it. Stay away. That cat gonna eat you, baby. Hope you like our birds and hope you like our video. Hope you enjoy it. If you didn't, then our birds can do much more. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.